back to my channel. So I just had to get ready for a friend's birthday party, and I thought I'll share with you guys my makeup look and get ready with me. And this is the look, so I hope you guys like it, and let's get into this video. So I'm starting off by using Believe the True Cream Moisturizer, and it's one of the best moisturizers I've used hands down so far. Primer, and I like to go ahead and prime nice and even before I start applying my foundation and do the rest of my makeup. Guys, I'm taking Garnier Hydra Balm Eye Tissue Mask. So I'm just gonna place them on my under eyes while I do the rest of my eye makeup. By then, my under eyes should be nice and fresh. And you literally just need to leave them on for about 15 minutes. So while I'm waiting for the tissue masks to work their magic, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. For that, I'm using my good old LA Girl eyebrow pencil, and I believe this is in the shade brown, but I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below as always, so you guys can check it out in the description box. For the eyeshadows, I'm using the Huda Beauty mini palette, and I'm gonna start off by using the burnt orange color, and it's such a gorgeous orange shade. This season it has definitely been my go-to color. I've been obsessed with it. Also, all the colors in this palette are super pigmented, which I absolutely love. Once I'm done applying that color, I'm going to take this yellow mustard color and apply this onto the center of my eyelids. Yellow has been my favorite color for ages now, and I was so excited when I found out that this palette includes this color. The combination of burnt orange and this yellow color creates such a gorgeous combination. I love the mixture of orange and yellow. It's perfect for summertime, and you can wear it daytime or evening. My brows, and also blend out the orange shade to create more of a softer look for my eyes. So the eyeliner I'm using is Nicka K New York, and this is a matte finish. Then I'm taking Holy Grails of mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto my upper lashes for now. I'll come back and apply this on the bottom lashes once I'm done doing the rest of my face, so after the foundation and blush and all that. Underneath my eyes by just tapping it with my fingers. Then I'm just going to go ahead and real quickly moisturize my lips by using nothing else but just Vaseline. Then for foundation, I'm using Born This Way by Too Faced, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. It's a perfect full coverage foundation that doesn't feel really heavy on your skin or too cakey. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the foundation. So what you want to do, you want to pat the beauty blender very gently on your face. This way the product doesn't get absorbed in the sponge, but it actually gets absorbed in your skin, lasts a lot longer, and it also blends pretty evenly. For this look, to contour, I'm taking the NYX HD Concealer, and this is in the shade Tan. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this where I normally contour. It's a cream concealer, so it blends very easily. Typically highlight. lighter beauty blender to blend out the concealer and a darker beauty blender for contour. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. This is just my personal preference. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and set out my concealer by using the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. The sponge I'm using is by Real Techniques. I got from Ulta. I like to use a For blush, I'm using Millani Powder Blush. This is in the shade Blossom Time Rose. What I love about Millani blushes, they're a drugstore brand, so they're really affordable. The product lasts a lot longer. There's actually a lot of it in that tiny little compact, and it's such a gorgeous color as well. From my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it underneath my eyes for just a tad bit longer. Lip liner is just such a neutral pink tone. It goes really well with a lot of my lipsticks, and it just applies a lot smoothly. So this has been my go-to lip liner for months now. After that, I'm taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade. Well, typically, I wear a lot of brown, neutral, nude colors, but this is one of my favorite pink lip glosses to wear, especially in summertime. Go ahead and wipe the rest of the setting powder from underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara on my bottom lashes. Again, taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, I'm just slightly applying it onto the bottom lashes. Drying up my lips a little bit, I'm taking NYX Crayon Lip Liner in the shade Plum, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this onto the outer corner of my lips and very slightly outline my lips. I just felt like my lips were blending in with the rest of the makeup, so I just wanted to make sure my lips stand out. To complete the eye look, I'm going to take the golden color from the Huda Beauty Mini Topaz palette. It's a very gorgeous glitter shade, and I'm applying this into the inner corner of my eyes. This just, like I said, completes the entire eye look, and it also helps your eyes look much bigger than usual. I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match Llumi Glotion. I've been obsessed with this product. I have stopped using all of my powder blushes and switched to using this instead because it's so light and airy. It still has a soft illuminating glow to it, almost like a sheer glow. And then I'm just taking my beauty blender to blend out the product in all the usual areas where I typically highlight on my face. Lastly, I'm going to take the All Nighter setting spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray this all over my beauty blender. What I like to do to set my face, I take the beauty blender and I dab it on my face. This just helps lock in the makeup on your skin a lot better, and your makeup tends to last a lot longer than spraying it directly on your skin. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. You guys know the drill. Hit that thumbs up button. Do comment below. Let me know what you guys think, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already so you guys are up to date every time I post a new video. Till my next video, stay happy, stay blessed, keep laughing, and I love you all. Bye.